I recently installed the Fernox 62249 TF1 Omega Filter with valve for central heating. To my surprise, the instruction does not specify the pipe cutout length. Also, I failed to find the detail online. So, I decided to make this video to show the pipe cutout length calculation. First, install the two valves, as shown in purple, and remove the outer nuts, as shown in blue. The total length measured is 227 mm. Then use a caliper to measure the maximum pipe insert depth, which is 15 mm. The accurate calculation result is 227 minus 15 equal 197 mm. Because there are valves on the left and right, there is no need to consider a lot of installation margins. The recommended pipe cutting length I come up with is 200 mm. Please leave a comment below if you have questions. Hope this video is useful to you. Please click like and subscribe to support me. Thank you.